Are you still not making money online? If you ain't, you need to watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a reason that you're not making money yet online, or maybe just offline too, just in general, right? I was thinking of this actually last week, and I'm like, yo, I'm about to do a video on this subject. You know, there's maybe one reason why you're not making money online yet, right? And that reason might be that you're just not going hard enough, right? Now you might be thinking, man, that's common sense. Of course, first of all, I am going hard enough. Second of all, that's common sense. And everybody know you're supposed to go hard if you want to make money, right? But I'm actually making this video and kind of actually talking to myself, because I have income goals, right? In general, online money making goals I have, and I was just thinking, like, I bust my butt with my YouTube channel, with my blog, right? Facebook, and I'm like, I'm still not where I want to be, right? Yeah, I do make money online. I get money. There hasn't been a month went by I haven't made some sort of affiliate sale or sold a Kindle book. Right? There's not a month that goes by or week that goes by that I don't get signups to my mailing list, and so on and so on, right? But I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not nowhere near where I want to be. And I told myself, like, maybe I just ain't going hard enough, right? Now, granted, I am involved in a lot of stuff. If you follow my channel, you know I am an artist. I do fitness. I teach fitness classes, you know, in the real world, right? Musician and acting, all of this stuff. But guys, at the end of the day, I told myself that's not an excuse. You gotta make time. You gotta go hard. You need to only be doing the thing. Not only, I don't want to say you need to only be doing the things that can get you to your goal, but the majority of the things that you're doing need to be going to that final goal. So if your goal is $5,000 a month, the majority of things that you're doing throughout your day should have something to do with you earning 5,000. If it's 10,000, whatever. Yeah, and it's hard because a lot of times people work 9 to 5 jobs, right? Or people have kids and people have this or that, and they're like, yo, I just can't find the time. You have to make the time. You have to go harder if you're not, you know, where you want to be, because there's only so many courses and strategies out there that you can buy and that you can implement and not be successful with. So my point is, like, if you've been getting courses and you've been watching YouTube videos, reading articles, reading books, your confidence is sky high and everything seems to be in place, but you're just not getting those commissions. You're not getting those sales from your product. You're not getting those book sales or whatever. It might just be you need to just go harder. And what I mean by go harder is maybe do 2 more YouTube videos a week. Post on your blog 3 more times a week. You know, if you're in the network marketing, talk to more people. Get some flyers made. Maybe drop them off at other, you know, locations, more locations. Talk to more people than you are doing. And I do believe you will get more results. I think it's just a matter of persistence and a matter of time if you step up and go harder. Perfect example of what I'm talking about, even with my YouTube. I got several YouTube channels, and it's hard because I have passion, extreme passion for my fitness channel and my FUIME TV channel, which is my music channel. I have deep passion for fitness and deep passion for my music and that channel, and I also have passion for making money online and doing these videos. So that's 3 YouTube channels. So I told myself sometimes I get spaced out because I'm like, I don't have time. How am I supposed to do all these videos? And you shoot them, you edit them, you got to make thumbnails, you got to write descriptions, you got to upload them, wait for them to upload, then you got to share them. It's like, where do I get all this time? So I found myself slipping, months go by and I realize, man, I only posted 3 videos to my FUIME channel. Man, I only posted 5 videos last month for my Team BTFL channel. That's not consistent. That's not going hard. So now I sit there and I do a lot of I gotta go harder. So now I'm posting 3 videos a week consistently on my 3 main YouTube channels. This channel, FUIME TV, which you can link in the description. You can subscribe. It's a whole different world, right? And then my Team BTFL fitness channel, right? 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, dropping 3 videos, right? So even if I miss a certain day, I will be posting 3 videos a week. After I do this for 3, 4, 5 months, now let's see, because now I'm pushing myself to the max. I'm going harder by doing these YouTube videos and being more consistent, because these are the things that I feel and believe that can generate me the income that I want, right? So need some water. But yeah, and you're going hard might be, if your thing is Instagram, it might be, hey, posting more on Instagram, doing more research, doing cooler pictures, whatever. If your thing is Facebook, if your thing is your home business, whatever you're trying to do, maybe you just need to go harder and find time to do it. Like with this YouTube stuff, I take my weekends and shoot videos. That's what I'm doing right now. It's a Saturday. You might be watching this video on this video might not post for 4 or 5 days, right? But I'm shooting it now. I'm grinding now. It's a Saturday and I'm grinding, and to get where I want to be. So guys, just go harder. Maybe that's the reason why you're not making the money. Go harder. Find time to do more to help you reach your goals. That's what you got to do. That's what I'm doing. And hopefully you'll see the consistency that I'm talking about. All right, so just go harder. Do what you got to do. Go harder. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share this video if you really liked it. And obviously, if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe, because I'm always bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.